Hi, this is Mrs. Paul, and welcome to our Literacy Garden. Today we are going to do Lesson 6. Here we go. Ender benders. They're the little pattern of letters that go on the end of a word. Let's review. S, S, ing, and ed. Ed has 3 different sounds, or ed has 3 different sounds. Ed, d, and t, 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 t. Today we're going to do Ender Bender ER. Ender Bender ER sounds like a motorcycle. ER is kind of cool because it changes the word, just like the chrysalis changed into a butterfly. ER changes the word. Take a look. ER meanings can be a person. So you have batter. It's someone who bats. ER can also mean a comparison between two things. For instance, the corn is bigger than the carrot. And the last different change is something that's completely different. It's not a person, it's not a comparison, it's something else. For instance, like ladder is something else. All right, person, more or less, or other. Here we go. We've got you try it. We've got a rocker, and that would be a person who makes music. We have hotter, that would be more or less. We have, and I can't see it because my picture, there we go. We have robber, that would also be a person. Go ahead, try it. We have slipper. It's not a person, it's not more or less, so then it would be other. We have you try it. Locker, that would be other. We have, you know this one. Batter, it's a person who bats. We have, you try it. Softer, that's more or less. Yes, more. This is softer than that, so more or less. Next one, you try. Winner, it's not yeah, it actually is a person, huh? A winner is someone who wins something, so it is a person. Here we go. Last one. Faster. Ooh, more or less, it's comparing something. And maybe there's one more. Oh, there is. Butter. That's going to be in the other category. Okay, here we go. Your chance to start reading. Okay, you try. Zipper. Wicker. Wicker is like a basket. It's the sticks that are woven together. We call that wicker. Next one, you try. Sander. Like an electric sander, it makes the wood soft and you go across the wood. Your turn. Tracker, as in someone's trying to track something. It's a person. Your turn. Slugger, someone who slugs or hits something. Lastly, you guys know what this is. A drummer, someone who drums a drum. All right, here comes the little tricky part. You guys can do this. We've done it before. All right, E. Notice that in between this vowel and this vowel, there is a double treble, or like a 2-letter k, or a blend. They all have 2 letters in between the ending vowel and the more beginning vowel. When you take that away, look what happens. It becomes a long kicker. It says its name. So now we've got wider. You still have your ender bender ER, but that E now gets to the I because there's not 2 letters. Long kicker, oak, joker, You try. Writer and maker. Excellent job. All right, our next ender bender is the ender bender Y, one of my favorites. And let me show you why. Some of you may remember Spy Lady. Spy Lady, there she is. She goes around and she's hunting for newspapers. Spy Lady reminds us if it is a one-syllable word, the Y says I, as in spy. If it is a two-syllable word, as in lady, the Y says E. Let's take a look at that again. Here she is. She's Spy Lady. She's got her paper. These are going to be the one-syllable words, and they're going to say excuse me, my, you try it, try, dry, fly, shy, and why. All right, the two-syllable words with the Y at the end, they all either have double trebles, notice this, or a two-letter K or a blend at the end. So we have kitty, silly, candy. I'm going to move my picture here again. There we go. Lucky, baby, pony. Excellent job. Notice that the ones that have the short vowels have the two letters in between the Y and the U, the two vowels. But the ones that have only one letter in between the two vowels have a kicker, as in baby and pony. Nicely done. Okay, here we go. Sentences for the day. Go ahead and try to read, and I'm going to point and you read, and then I'll read it after you. Here we go. Okay. The winner of the drum set rocked. All right, here we go. The fuzzy fly landed on the track. All right. The kitty will find my slippers. I'm going to move my picture again. You try this. All right. Try the soft butter with the candy. Ah, yuck. Next one, you try. Here we go. Why is the jumper faster today? And that is the end of this particular lesson. Don't forget to review Red Word Jam number 3. That's also on the website. That goes along with this lesson. All right, thank you for being with me this afternoon, and I will see you soon. Bye.